welcome back to the channel. Well, after incessant rains for the last couple of days, we are finally able to catch a break and we are off to shoot a travel vlog right now to a lovely place. So I came home about half an hour back and seeing the bright blue sky, Ashley said, how about we go and shoot a vlog? So of course my constant is there right now behind the camera. So we're on the way to the place. We're off there right now. Stay with us and let's go.
As you take the Udupi-Malpe road, just before the Kalmadi bridge, you will find a Gopura or temple arch on the left-hand side. That's where we stopped to have a refreshing tender coconut, or as we call it, Bonda. The road to the destination we are headed to right now goes through and via the temple arch.
Alright, so after a short drive from our place, that is Kalyanpur, to the destination, we are at a place called Kalmadi. And the destination we are at right now is known as Bobbariya Gudi or Bobbariya Pade at Kalmadi, of course. So Kalmadi is somewhere between Malpe, the very famous Malpe beach, and Udupi city where the very famous Krishna Mutt is. So nestled between these two places is this destination right here. It's a beautiful place to come here in the evenings, so we're going to take it all in right here. So before we go any ahead, I just want to bring your attention that this place is not exactly a tourist place, but more of a sacred place. So we believe in maintaining the sanctity of this place. Now, to talk a little about this place. Now, the Bobbariya Gudi or the Bobbariya Good Day is very close to the fishermen folk of Malpe and people in and around this place. Apart from that, I could not really find a lot of information on Google about this place, but when we asked the locals around here, they said that this place has a history of over 100 years, which is a lot. That is a little something about this place. Apart from that, let's have a look around. We are on the other side of the rock right now, that is we are behind the Bobbariya Gudi right now, and the viewpoints from this particular spot are insurmountable. At this time of the year, the climate or the weather is extremely unprecedented. It gets cloudy and then suddenly it gets super sunny, and right now it's definitely sunny, but on the other side of the horizon, it's pretty cloudy. So now on the horizon you can see a river flowing by, and that particular river is known as the Suvarna Nadi or the Suvarna River, which begins from a beautiful estuary, and that estuary is where the Malpe beach or the Arabian Sea meets this particular river right here. There's a beautiful bridge right there, and apart from that, the boats that are docked on the riverside here, they give you a completely enthralling and spectacular look. It looks so colorful. The sky is also beautiful. Apart from that, from one particular vantage point, what is breathtaking is the view of the entire horizon. You can have an aerial or a holistic 360-degree view of the entire horizon, where you can see the ocean, the river, the colorful boats docked, the Udupi and Manipal skyline, and all the other places. I've got to say, this place is unbelievable. So close to my place, so close to my heart, and so close to the coast right here. We have had a great time just enjoying the view. And like I told you earlier, the viewpoints from here are unsurmountable. So if you do come here, be it alone with your family, friends, or whatever that is, I'm sure you will have a great time taking in the serenity and the beauty of this place. Like I've been telling you in every other video, please don't litter this place. We would certainly appreciate if you just come here and be one with nature. That is something we would all like to do as well, I'm pretty sure. So do not throw trash around here. That's the most I ask of you. Apart from that, I can guarantee that you will have a good time here. With that, we will wind up this video. If you do come here, let us know how this place is for you, and also let us know in the comment section how this video was. On that note, we will see you in the next video. Until then, y'all take care, toodles, and bye.